Hi traders, just in the trading platform. I'm going to walk you through getting around the charts. Now, first we're going to discuss a profile. So a profile is just a set of saved charts, and I've created 4 in the trading platform. So to access the profiles, come up to the top and left click on the profile menu. Now at the moment we're using the 12 pairs profile, and when trading we're going to be using the 12 pairs profile or the 12 pairs daylight saving time profile when New York respects daylight saving time. Now when I created this course, New York was respecting daylight saving time, so I've been using the 12 pairs daylight saving time profile. Later in the course we will discuss the indices profile and megatrend profile. So currently the 12 pairs profile is being used, but we'll change that. So highlight 12 pairs daylight saving and left click. Okay, and that will change the profile. Now moving down to the bottom, it does tell you which profile you're using. So down here at the bottom it says 12 pairs daylight saving. That's the profile we're now using. If you left click on that name, you can access the same profile menu, okay? So that's how you can change the profile.